Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Google Pixel 7 or Google Pixel 7 Pro to the Android 14. So it works the same for the both version, and first of all we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then we have to go to the settings. Next you have to scroll down all the way down and go for the system, and right here you have to scroll down a little bit and select the system update. As you can see, right now we've got the short description of the Android 14 new features just right here, and that's also the size of the update. So it's highly recommended to stay with the Wi-Fi, or if you have unlimited mobile data, it will be also fine. So all you have to do right now is just to click on this download and install button, and right now you have to be patient and wait for a few minutes until the download will be finished. And also just remember to charge your phone above 50%. So yeah, right now just wait. So there we are. I just tell you that it will take around few minutes. No, it actually takes more than 1 hour. So right now when the download is finished, you can finally click on the restart now button. Okay, that's quite interesting. We've got additional download. It looks like that. But yeah, so let's wait. Okay, and as you can see right now, the update is finished. So let me just check in the settings if everything is fine. Here we have the first tips for the Android 14, the base information. So we can go to the tips, for example, and just take a look how it looks. Not now. There we go. So there's some new features in the camera, some kind of the new features in the customization, smart features, navigation. So if you are interested in any of these new features, you can just click and you will be get this tips screen where you can take a look for anything that you want. And right now when you open the settings and go for the about phone, we can find the Android version. It will appear just right here. As you can see, right now it is in the Android 14, and as you can see, that's how it looks. That's the Android 14. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.